Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add Adobe Fonts in Google Slides. Alright, let's begin. First, understand that Google Slides does not support Adobe Fonts directly. The font library inside Slides is limited to Google Fonts, so any Adobe typeface you activate through Adobe Creative Cloud will not appear in the font dropdown. However, there is a simple workaround that allows you to use those fonts in your presentation. Start by downloading your Google Slides presentation as a PowerPoint file. Click File, go to Download, and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. This exports the slides while keeping the layout, images, and text formatting. Next, open the exported PowerPoint file in Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once the presentation loads, select the text you want to change and apply any Adobe font that is installed. Like I have Proxima Nova downloaded on my PC, and as you can see, I can use it on PowerPoint. So that's basically how you can add Adobe Fonts in Google Slides. That's it for this video. Thanks!